But this will trigger the Lexus RCF safety car.
Oh, that's big. That is a very big crash. Oh my God, that is so fast. That's a huge crash.
It's a problem, a good problem to have, but it's still a problem.
It's close enough this time. It's close enough this time. Get off! No! Locks the rears and turns him around. And that is nowhere near good enough. He's run into his teammate, for sure.
You're kidding me. So he's driven straight to the back of back because, trouble here for car 21 and 8. Again, they are teammates. Now, we saw them get together at... Brad Jones. So that's it's going to be an issue. Here, look at this, up the front. It's contact.
And that sends Lowndes off. Incredible. The teammates made contact. The leader of the race goes off. Slides way back.
That's on the inside, he's on the dirty part of the road. He's battling to stop. Craig turns it in. He was probably up far enough to command track position. And they make contact pretty heavily. Lowndes, series leader, out in the paddock. On board now with Whincup. He's come from about a car length back. Now watch, he battles to stop. He gets it stopped. He's up there. He fed it second gear. He runs.
Stops it. Just stops it before clobbering. Oh, and cops away.
Now it's going to block the track. Oh! No. No. Two of the major competitors.
Here at turn 10, a push. He spins out to the left-hand side. The other cars can't stop. Bottolo into the Pepsi car, into the Red Bull car.
They're at turn number 6. Jamie knows this is the area of vulnerability, and there's a touch. He's turned. They've both gone round. They've both gone round. This is what they did not want to see at Red Bull. Whincup has touched the inside of Van Gisbergen. There was tons of room. He locked the rears. That was the reason why. He locked the rears. And
fair amount of traffic to deal with out there at the moment. Check this replay out. We're looking at Mark Winterbottom, centre of screen, and then arrives at the corner with a lock brake as Jack departs the pit lane. And a bit of butt.
He was actually running wide himself.
Yeah.
Wait till the camera's gone there. Don't tell me to do it. You're mate. Just I know. I'll chat to you when everyone's not here. Come out the back and I'll talk to you. What do you want? Run off the track. Run off the track and come back on. When? What do you think? You start your lap right in front of me. I didn't run off the track. I had to go. There was no other space. Sorry. Yeah, well, sorry. It happened to me too.
happens. We've got Garth Tander having a look down the inside. It's a sandwich. Factory Ford Falcon gets squeezed by both the Holden Racing Team entries. James Courtney's the victim. On board here with Garth, up to the hairpin. Watch and listen.
Exactly the same part of the circuit where he got a push from Alex Premer before. This time it's David Wall.
It's his teammate. So that's what the radio message was. Awesome work.
Contact, you stay on the brake and you hit further back. Oh,
that's the Rick Kelly.
That was Rick with Tander.
That's right, he whacked the back of the HRT car, but the question is...
we don't know how he got there. So here we go. So there's that one, but there's just check behind.
There's Dale Wood just touring the paddock as well, Scafey, while we're trying to work out what happened to Rick.
That one there with a bit of nose damage.
Which one?
Is it these two?
Clear.
Actually giving him one.
Well, he'll get caught for that. Watch this. Cam Waters down the inside of Winterbottom. Winterbottom into Chaz Mostert. All three cars get involved. And two of them parked up.
And Lee had nowhere to go. Lee Holdsworth, that is. Neither did James Courtney. So the victim. Let's have a look at what happens down here at 1. So they're all jinking, and I think it's because James jumps to the left of Rick. And I don't reckon he knew that Van Gisbergen was necessarily down there.
What happens? This is from that. It doesn't look like there was a touch.
No, there's somebody else off the inside there.
Is the...
Goodness me, it's his teammate. teammate.
Stephen, yes, oh dear me, that's Jason by
Now, I wonder how that's happened.
I don't know.
He was actually trying to do a time, and they hadn't informed Fabian that he was trying to do a time. So Dale saw a gap and was trying to get on with it. Anyway, the point being that you never want the cars from the same garage together, particularly when you're moving those front wheels around, steering through. Meantime, at the other end of the circuit, this has only just happened, and now we've got a bit of action between the Erebus teammates. So Ash Walsh and Will Davison, what is it? Within teams at the moment. So
So Rick Kelly up to second place, but look at the drama.